So if you want to change a charging sound on your iPhone 16e, there's a really cool feature which we can gain through shortcuts. So let's open up our shortcuts. Let's choose our automation. Let's press plus and let's find our charger. So when connected, choose run immediately. Don't forget to choose it. It's important. Let's press next. Now choose your speak text option and simply insert your text. Great. So insert your text, press done. Here is your automation, right? Make sure that it is enabled and then it's set on run immediately. All right, now let's grab our phone. Then let's grab our charger and let's insert it right into our charging port.
Thank you so much, my God.
Well, you're welcome. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.